Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to auto save setting enable or disable in your Power App. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, I keep on publishing content related to Power App. It's a very interesting topic, and when we do Power App, we write formula, we write conditions. It's really important sometimes to have this auto save enabled, right? So that we don't lose our work. So let me show you how it works. So this is a simple app. I have already published a video like how to do this WhatsApp in your Power App. If you go to file, you have like settings here. Okay, go to settings. Here you have, if you scroll down, we have the setting for auto save changes every 2 minutes. This is a browser level setting, so it is enabled for me here. If I want to disable it, I can just turn it off, but why would I do it? My intention was just to show you. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated.